Nag-English. Identify patient using at least two identifiers according to agency policy. Review patient's EHR for need to assess radial pulse. Determine previous pulse rate and measurement site when available from patient's record. Assess patient and family caregivers' health literacy. Assess for factors that influence radial pulse rate and rhythm. Perform hand hygiene. Assess for signs and symptoms of altered cardiac function. Assess for signs and symptoms of peripheral vascular disease. Assess patient's knowledge of and prior experience with pulse measurement and feelings about procedure. Determine expected outcomes following completion of procedure. Provide privacy for patient and explain procedure and encourage patient to relax. Obtain and organize equipment needed. Hello, ma'am. I am January Harudal, your nurse for today. So, may I know your name, ma'am?
Rachel Carlo.
When is your birthday, ma'am?
July 29.
So, ma'am, I am going to perform to look for your radial pulse. And is it okay for you, ma'am, to touch your hands? Okay, thank you, ma'am. Perform hand hygiene and position patient in supine or sitting position. When patient was not supine place, patient's forearms straight alongside or across lower chest or upper abdomen. When sitting, bend patient elbow to 90 degrees and support lower arm. Place tip of first two or middle three fingers of hand over groove along radial or thumb side of patient's inner wrist. Slightly extend or flex wrist with palm down until strongest pulse was noted. Lightly compress pulse against reduce. Losing pulse, initially relax pressure to pulse became easily palpable. Determine strength of pulse. Note whether thrust of vessel against fingertips was bounding. 4 plus. Full increase or strong 3 plus. Expected 2 plus. Barely palpable. Diminished 1 plus, or absent or not palpable is 0. After palpating regular pulse, look at watch second hand and begin to count rate. Count the first beat after the second hand hit the number on the dial. Counted as 1, then 2, and so on. When pulse was regular, counted rate for 30 seconds and multiply by total by 2. Help patient to comfortable position. Discuss findings with patient and document according to agency policy. Dispose of all contaminated supplies in appropriate receptacle. Remove and dispose of glove if worn. Perform hand hygiene. Raise side rails as appropriate. Place bed in lowest position, locking into position. Place nurse call system in an accessible location within patient's reach. So ma'am, I am now going to assess your pulse rate. So, ma'am, your pulse rate is 70. When assessing pulse for first time, establish radial pulse as baseline when within acceptable range. Compare pulse rate and character with patient's previous baseline and acceptable range for patient's age. Use teach back revise instruction if patient or caregiver is not able to teach back correctly. Document pulse rate and cite appropriately. Document pulse after administration of a specific therapist as applicable. Document evaluation of patient and family caregiver learning. And for handoff reporting, report abnormal findings appropriately. So, ma'am, we are done for your assessment and thank you, ma'am, for your cooperation and participation.